Sattva really helps us slow down because it reminds us of our natural connection with nature, and in nature nothing is delineated or limited by time. It trusts in the rhythm of things. Rhythm is how things grow and change and how the seasons flow. So when we live Sattva, we just naturally take a step back. We naturally find ourselves thinking about things and feeling into things in a different way and in a gentler way. If we step back and we look at nature and all that she creates in a single year, we think of 365 sunsets and sunrises, and 12 or 13 full moons, the ebbing and flowing of the tides, and 4 incredible seasons. She does so much and she creates so much, but there's never a sense that there isn't enough time to do these things. Things unfurl and grow and bloom and shift according to their own rhythm, in their own time, not in some sort of restricted, arbitrary idea of time. So when we really start to embrace Sattva and we really understand, what it is that makes us us, and really stop fretting so much about the continual doing and the driving and the forcing, we can really start to feel into days that just feel gentler and just flow that bit more easily. And when we do this, everything around us just seems to slow down. There's this amazing story that's often told about Gandhi, where he was being interviewed by some journalists, and he was obviously leading India into this incredible peace protest and this huge time of change, and he was asked whether or not he would have to stop meditating because now he would just be far too busy, and his reply was that on the contrary, now he would have to meditate more. And I love that story because it really shows us how fluid our connection with time should be. It's not that we're giving 20 minutes to meditation and that's 20 minutes we could use to do something else. It's that when we choose to meditate and when we choose to sit quietly or peacefully, we expand our day, and time becomes very fluid, and we clarify our minds, and our thoughts and our feelings rise without impediment, and we manage to enrich everything. Our decisions flow more freely. So we create so much more time by taking these moments of stillness and these opportunities to slow down and really listen.